In this video, we will be converting 9 or 12 volts to 5 volt using 7805 voltage regulator. Few things will be required like power source. This is 12 volt charger supply, or you can also use 9 volt battery, a breadboard, and a multimeter for checking how much voltage we are getting, and male to male few of these jumper wires, or you can use these wires. Let's start with 7805. It have 3 pins. The right one is V out, where we'll be getting desired output, and left is V in, where we'll be providing positive 12 voltages, and middle is the ground. Now we will insert this into the breadboard, and then we have 12 volt charger supply, where you can also use the 9 volt battery. Basically it have rating up to 550 volts and 1 amp, but be sure to use heatsink if you have higher current application, otherwise your IC will get damaged. We connect a positive red pin to positive red wire, I can use the outer side, and connect this to the first. Let's say we can get these wires straight. So I am getting this red pin here to the ground, black pin to the ground, and red pin to the input, and yellow pin for the output. Then we need, then we have to provide the supply for that, for to the ground. This is ground pin, and this is the positive pin. So we give these voltages over here, and red pin over here. So we also need for the output, which we will be using. So now let's check the voltages we are getting at the input and output. Turn on the multimeter, switch it to DC mode, and first I verify how much I am getting at the input, which is 12 volt supply, which is 12.17 volts. Then we can see how, so you can see I have 5.012 volts, which is perfectly fine for ESP8266 and any Arduino board which is required 5 volts.